Well, I just got pulled over because the guy said I'm not supposed to drive in North Carolina with tinted windows when I have South Carolina plates, but we'll see what he says and how it goes. Try to put this camera somewhere where he really doesn't see it.
Can you give a warning?
Okay, appreciate it.
Yeah, we did. Okay.
You too, thank you.
Yep.
That was nice. I just got a warning. This is gonna suck because now I gotta take off hard on the highway. The car or something, but yeah, I wasn't speeding or anything, luckily. He was like, I bet you could have smoked me with this car, wouldn't you? And I was like, nah man, I'm not trying to get in trouble, I drive trucks. He was like, ah, okay, got you. He was like, let me see your license. Okay, I guess he checked all my stuff, and he was like, I'm just gonna give you a warning, you gotta go. And I was like, oh, thank you, I appreciate it. Oh man, but he did like the car though. Sucks I didn't turn the camera on right away. I was like, damn it. I was like, I wasn't even speeding, bro. I was doing the freaking speed limit.